everyone guys, it's almost 4 o'clock here in Norwegian time. So nag-preparing ako ng family dinner for today. So gumawa ako ng gravy. That is gravy. Ready na siya guys, naka-powder na siya. Ready na lang, mix ko lang siya sa water, 5 dl water and 1 pack gravy powder. So ganyan lang guys. Madalian na dinner nito guys. Okay? Ano lang natin, imimix lang natin hanggang siyang kumukulo yung gravy. And then ang sunod kong ginawa guys, nagpakulo ako potato. Dahil dito, eat with potato Norwegian guys. At ako naman kumakain ng rice. So, I boiled also cabbage. Dahil yung cabbage dito sa Norwegian guys is matagal siyang maluto. Binubuel ko siya sa tubig with salt in 15 minutes. Pwede ito gawing cabbage stew. Pero sa akin, okay na ito yan guys lang. Luto na siya guys, is done already. That is cabbage. Kinakat ko lang siyang slices para madali siyang maluto. So, isi-serve na yan natin. And the last nating guys, naggumawa na ako ng pork patties. That is yummy and delicious. So that is dinner for today guys. Napaka-simple and easy. Dinner for today, I make pork patties guys. Pina-fry ko siya with butter to make extra yummy. Pag butter i-fry mo guys, extra yummy. Ito na malapos na siyang maluto. That is boiled water. Kinap ko yung cabbage into slices. And then, nag-add lang akong salt, little bit oil, butter, and cook this one. Because the cabbage are in always cook long. So that is it guys. Boiled muna siya sa water. It depends how long. Maybe in 15 minutes. Dahil yung cabbage dito is matagal maluto. And this is it. Pakuluin na natin dyan. And then gagawa tayong white sauce later. So after 15 minutes you cooking the cabbage, so i-drain na natin yung water. So that is pork patties is done to fried with butter now guys. Isit aside lang natin ito because it's dinner's later. So that is it. Yummy, safety siya guys, and is good. So that is my pork patties. Gumamit lang akong 700 gram na minced pork. On 1 teaspoon na salt. Mayroon akong recipe nito guys sa the last na video. So ipalo lang ninyo guys. Napaka juicy at masarap. Yung 700 gram lang ginamit ko guys, 4 person ito guys. Pwede ito gawin yung hamburger kung mayroon na kayo ng burger bread and with the cheese. So ito na ang natin. So at kumukulo na rin yung gravy ko guys. Dito na, kumukulo na yung sauce natin. Kasi eat this one with sauce. So that is it. Madali ang luto ito para sa pamilya. And kumukulo na rin din yung potato natin. That is boiling already. So that is cooked almost just only 10 minutes because this potato, it's not cooked long. It's easy to cook. Mag-ano na tayo ng time ng 10 minutes yung potato dahil madali lang yung maluto. So mag-ready na tayo sa dinner natin. Napaka-simple and yummy. So ganyan dito sa Norway guys, madiskarte ang buhay natin para makakain yung pamilya natin masarap. Dahil mahal dito sa Norway. Kumukulo ng natin, yung gravy. Ready na natin serve na yan. And then nagpakulo akong cabbage. Yung cabbage ito is thick long, is almost 15 minutes. And this is my pork patties is done already. This is potato is boiling already. And this is gravy is done. And this is my carrot is done. And this is the pork patties. So that is dinner to serve. Yan. Kumukulo na siya guys. Okay na siya yan. It's dinner for today. That is dinner for today is ready to serve. Mag-prepare na tayo for dinner, guys. That is 3 potato. The pork patties. Of course, mayroon tayong vegetable. Marami tayo ng vegetable dito, guys. Yan. And this is the gravy. Gravy, yummy, yummy. That is oh, so amazing. And then usually tayo dito, guys, kakain kami ng that is jam. Eat this jam. Now that is ready to serve, guys. Is ready to serve. That is pork patties with gravy. That is jam, and this boiled the cabbage and potato. So let's eat. So guys, is dinner to serve is done. Let's eat. View sa labas natin, guys. That is still snow outside. Yes. Nag-ice pa siya. Malamig pa sa labas. Temperature is -0.6 din. Hindi siya malamig pero marami pa siyang ice sa labas.